What is up, everybody? Jojo Siwa just pulled up. So me and Jonas are actually going to check out a car right now. It's been a minute since I had a drift car. You guys know I wanted one, so we're going to pick one up. Gonna be leaving any minute. Going to check this thing out. I've wanted this car for a while. I think this is gonna be a car some of you guys will enjoy watching me build. So let's get into it. Alright, so I just picked up this S14. This thing's a Zenki. It's got like Forged internals, it's boosted. This will be the new D car. I've been saying I need a new D car. Jason's out there drifting, George's out there drifting. I was left out, so we got the S14. This is gonna be the new rig, but thing's LSD, which I might be able to demonstrate right now. But it's boosted LSD. Just needs some small things, but really it just needs to be cleaned up for the most part. Let's fucking hit it though. Woo! Thing's fucking LSD. Alright guys, so it's raining now, but I have to stand out here and just admire this thing, dude, because I've wanted an S14 for so long. So this is my 96 Zenki. It's got the Navin front bumper. This thing has zero rust, like zero. Like, let me just show you real quick how this car looks underneath, dude. It is the cleanest 240 I've ever seen underneath. I'm not even shitting you guys. So obviously the car is pretty clean. The paint isn't great, but it's, you know, it's all right for being the original paint. It's on like these XXR wheels. Those will be going ASAP. Don't even worry about that. But there's like not even any dents on the body, nothing. Interior, it's pretty much all original. Look how nice it is. Just need that one bezel right there by the climate controls, but it's pretty much it. And the dash is cracked, but it's not too bad. It's over the cluster, if you could see right there. But that's pretty much it. The rest of the dash is clean. So when you're sitting in the car, you can't even really tell. All right, so under the hood, we got my dual cam KA right here. This is a Gen 1 GTX 3076R, so it makes all the right noises. I'm a little concerned it might be a little too big, but we'll see on the drive home. I mean, I clutch kicked it a couple times in Mexico and things seem pretty fine, so we'll see about that. But it's got Wisco pistons or Wiseco pistons 9-to-1 and Eagle rods. It's got the top feed injectors. I think these are Bosch 550s. Nice little street car setup, aluminum raid, intercooler. I think it's got a one-piece aluminum drive shaft, coilovers, so pretty sweet. First things I'm going to be doing to this is steering wheel. It's got the stock one in there, which, you know, isn't bad. I'll show off the interior a little bit better in here, but very clean. That's just my backpack, but back seats, it's not really missing any trim. This is pretty much the only piece I need to get is this bezel. But yeah, pretty sweet. What I'm going to be doing though is throwing in the Nardi from the Miata in here 100%. I just need the hub because, as you can see, the steering wheel's right there. It's a 330, so we're going to throw that thing in. Things I really need to do on this thing, though, is I'd like to relocate that power steering reservoir. It's not on a standalone. It's on Niztune or some sort of Enthone RS or something like that. I forget. It's some, like, chipped ECU, so, you know, I don't really like those too much, so we're probably going to be going standalone on this thing. But yeah, guys, that's the 240. Hope you guys are excited for this build because I myself certainly am. Like, I've wanted one of these forever, so really stoked on this thing. I think we're going to do some exciting stuff with this, get some good track time and stuff. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.
I like you, I do. We went up better friends and we woke up